What is intermittent fasting? In simple terms, intermittent fasting means to stop eating for specific periods of time. It means the absence of food in your stomach for specific periods of time. The longer you fast, the better because it means that your digestive system is being given enough time to rest. By giving the digestive system enough time to rest, it is able to regenerate and be able to do its work better. Everybody is fasting, specifically during the nighttime, because obviously you do not eat anything when you are asleep. Once you eat your breakfast, you are breaking your fast. You break your intermittent fasting whenever you eat something. No matter what food you eat, you will break your fast when you eat. Fasting begins when you do not eat anything, and it ends when you eat something. Everybody needs rest, even you. If you do not rest, you become fatigued. And when you feel fatigued, you are unable to do the tasks that you normally can do. I am sure that most of you have already felt the stress of having to study for long periods of time without resting, or having to work for long periods of time without any break time. When that happens, you experience fatigue and stress. And if you are feeling fatigued and weak, you are not able to do your work properly. That is why rest is important. That same concept applies to our digestive system. We must give our digestive system enough time to recuperate and digest whatever we have eaten. And by doing intermittent fasting, we are providing that rest to our digestive system. In turn, your digestive system will thank you by giving you a healthier body. I usually fast using the 16 to 8 method. The 16 hours in the 16 to 8 method refers to the number of hours where I fast. Ideally, you will not eat during those whole 16 hours. Of course, this will vary because everybody has a different lifestyle. You do not have to follow the 16 to 8 method strictly. The 16 to 8 method means that you allot a total of 16 hours as fasting period. The 16 in 16 to 8 method is your fasting time, which means that you will not eat anything during those whole 16 hours. For the remaining 8 hours of your day, you are allowed to eat at least 2 or 3 meals. The number of meals depends on you. The lower the number of meals, the better. I do not follow the 16 to 8 method strictly, which means that I do eat breakfast, but the breakfast I eat is very light. I only drink black coffee, apple cider vinegar, collagen, and vitamin C during my breakfast. And then, after at least 2 hours, I will eat my lunch. And then, by 6 p.m., I will eat dinner. The main thing that you should remember is that the longer you fast, the more benefits the body gets. If I stop eating at 6 p.m., then I can eat my first meal at 10 a.m., which is my breakfast. Then I eat my lunch at 12 p.m. and then I eat my dinner at 6 p.m.